This
Telling about
conference will
short
now
key,
be
right?
recorded.
May I know what is that short key?
Yeah, that is what. See, to understand short key, you will have to wait at least for 3 or 4 sessions.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So next. Yeah. So next step we are supposed to see is post or process rent of rupees 5,000 paid by the organization using F-02. Okay. See, just look at the step description which I have given. Post or process rent of rupees 5,000. You can take any amount, need not be 5,000. Just I have taken 5,000 as an example. Paid by the organization using F-02. That means organization have paid the rent in the form of cash. So as it has made the payment of rent, it is an expense for the organization, and as it has paid rent, organization has lost the cash. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, there is an
Yes.
outflow of cash as rent has been paid by the organization. Okay, so how this transaction, how this activity has to be processed? This activity or transaction shall be processed by the end users using F-02. Okay, so yesterday I have given the path. Once again, I am giving you the path. So this is something very, very important step. We are going to enter end user area. So far whatever we have discussed consultant role, that is doing some settings, maintaining company codes, maintaining field status variant, posting period variants, all those things we have done. So now we are going to enter into end user area. So be careful and attentive to my explanation, please. So please, once again I'm giving you the path. Please take down the path. It is SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, then posting, then F-02 general posting, F-02 general posting. So double click on F-02 general posting, double click on F-02 general posting, double click on F-02 general posting, F-02 on general posting, double click on this, write down very carefully, slowly I'll explain. Document date. Document date is nothing but the day on which we are processing a transaction or an activity. That will be the document date. In real time, it can be today's date or previous date as well. Okay, so just I'm taking document date as today's date. Today means it is 11, so 11/06 2019, 11/06 2019, document date 11/06 2019. You can type using your keyboard, or simply what you can do is you can click on this radio button which is available. You can click on that radio button. Just click on this radio button, system will give you the calendar. Then double click on the highlighted date or the date on which you want to give as the document date. So double click on that. I'll show you once again. Click on this radio button, double click on this date 11. One more thing, in one more option also you can do. Press F4 on your keyboard, F4 function key F4. Once you press F4 function key, it will give you the calendar. Then press F2 function key F2 on the keyboard, it will pick up the date. There are three options. First option, you can manually enter the date like this using your keyboard. 2019. And the second option is with mouse, click on this drop down button and double click on the date, second option. And the third option is press F4 on your keyboard, function key 4, and press F2. As soon as you press F2, system will pick up the date. Then type. Though the system says type next field, it should not be read as type, rather it should be read as document type. It should be read as document type. Once again, I'm repeating for your information sake and clarity sake. Though system says the field name as type, we should not read it as type, rather we should read it as document type. So in document type, give SA, which is a standard document type provided by SAP. SA, document type SA. Please do remember this document type SA. I will ask some questions later on. Then company code, give our company code MMI1, company code, company code. Then posting date, posting date again same, you can enter manually, just 11/06/2019. Manually you can enter, or click on this drop down button, double click on the date, it will pick up the date, or else function key F4 and press F2, it will pick up the date. So posting date 11/6/2019. Posting date, generally what exactly is the concept of posting date means? Posting date is the date of the transaction that has taken place. On which date you have paid the rent, that date will be considered as posting date. Getting my point? Okay.
Yes.
This posting date and document date may be same or may not be the same. Posting date, transaction might have taken place yesterday, but you may be processing transaction today. That means transaction activity has taken place yesterday. You're processing yesterday's transaction in the system today. Therefore, document date will be today's date and posting date must be yesterday's date, if that is the case. In my opinion, now, as of now, whatever I am showing, in my assumption is transaction has taken place today and the same day I am processing the transaction. That is the reason why in both the cases I have taken same date. Document date and posting date I have taken same dates. Is that clear?
Yes.
Right. The next, period. Though the system says it is period, we should not read it as period, rather we should read it as posting period. We should read it as posting period. So if you observe the date, posting date, we have given 11th date, 6th month of the calendar 2019. What is the 6th month of the calendar? What is the current month name?
July, June.
June. Okay. June, it is a 6th month, but it is not a 6th posting period. It is 3rd posting period. Why?
Uh, because of that fiscal
Third
year
quarter.
calendar.
Yeah, fiscal year, we have started fiscal year not from January, we have started fiscal year from April. So April
Okay.
is over, that is 3rd month, sorry, 4th month. May is over, 2nd month, 2nd period, and June is the 3rd posting period. So give the posting period as 3. Even if you do not give also, system will pick up automatically 3. Posting period 3. Then currency, give INR. Currency INR. Currency INR. I repeat once again, document date is the date on which the transaction is being processed in the system by the end user. Document date is that date on which the end user is processing the transaction. It might be current date or it might be previous date. Then document type SA. Remember this, this is something very important. I'll ask questions on this later on. Then company code MMI1. Posting date. Posting date always reflects the date actual happening of the date of the transaction, on which date this transaction has taken place, on which days business has done this particular activity or done this particular transaction. That date will be the posting date. Then posting period. Please do remember, posting period is always with respect to posting date. It is very much associated with posting date but not with the document date. Okay, so posting period or period is with respect to posting period. System will take this posting period basing on the posting date which we have entered. Okay, the next currency is INR. Why currency INR? Why it need not be another currency? Any
Because
guess?
of the company code. Company code
Correct.
is MMI1.
MMI1. Because of the company code, it is INR. That is first reason. Even if I give another currency also, system should allow me to process. But at present status, system will not allow us to process. Later on, after some sessions, we will come to know, even if you give some other currency also, system will allow us to process. But that I will explain afterwards. But present, as of now, let us use INR, because under the company code MMI1 we are processing this transaction, and under the company code MMI1 we have maintained currency as INR. Okay, so currency INR. The next document number we don't need to give, forget about that. Then translation date, forget about that. Reference and all those things, as on the time goes on we will understand different fields. The next, come to down, there is a PSTKY, posting key, which is pronounced as posting key. Different posting keys have been provided by SAP. Just I'll show you for your information sake. Posting key is a 2-digit code. See, from 002, so many posting keys have been provided by SAP. We need not have to maintain any posting key. We need not have to create any posting key. Sufficient posting keys have been provided by SAP itself. So from the provided standard posting keys, the relevant posting key we are supposed to select. So relevant posting key as of now is 40. Look at this carefully. 40. If you look, if you observe the posting key carefully, it is saying that 40. Against this 40, you can see G. G stands for GL account. D stands for debit entry. D stands for debit. So give 40. Give 40. The next account, next field account. So before filling of the account, please take some points. I'll give you some theoretical points. You keep a note of it on your notebook. Okay, from accounting point of view. Okay, especially for Manisha's sake, I'm giving these points. Okay, so please do make a note of it.
Okay.
Debit all expenses and losses. Debit all expenses and losses. Point number 1. Debit all expenses and losses. Next one, credit income oblique gain. I am writing here, debit all expenses and losses. Credit all income oblique gain. Next, debit cash incoming. Credit cash outgoing. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income oblique gain, debit cash incoming, credit cash outgoing. Next point. For debit, use posting key 40. For credit, use posting key 50. Okay. Debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain, debit cash incoming, credit cash outgoing. For debit, use posting key 40. For credit, use posting key 50. As of now, I am telling. Okay. Slowly things will change. Okay. Now, look at the step description which I have given. Post oblique process rent of rupees 5,000 paid by the organization using F-02. Okay. As business is paying rent, as organization is paying rent, as we are paying rent, rent is an expense, right?
Yes. Yeah.
As rent is an expense, it shall be categorized as debit or credit.
Debit.
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 For debit which posting key has to be used?
40.
40.
40. Okay, so now come back to the screen. See, posting key 40 here I have given. I'll show you once again the description of the 40 GL account, 40 posting key. What it says, 40 debit. Matched with my theoretical notes or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so take 40, then account. See, remember, always 40 represents debit. 40 represents debit. 40 represents debit. Which one we are supposed to debit? Expense, right?
Yeah.
Which expense in our example? Rent is an example, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so for rent, how system will identify rent? System will not understand rent description as rent. System will understand rent with a code called 3,01,000, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So here in the account, I should give 3,01,000. Give 3,01,000, 3,01,000, 3,01,000, account 3,01,000. Press enter. Forget about this special GL and IT type. Slowly you will understand. Give account number 3,01,000, rent GL account. Press enter. Press enter. Amount 5,000. 5,000. Then you have value date, assignment, business place, calculate tax. You will learn slowly. Then text. Then give the text. Observe carefully. Text field, there is a speciality when compared to other fields that are appearing. What is the other speciality of text field? Are you able to observe the speciality
Oh,
of the
tick.
text field? Yeah,
It's
tick.
mandatory.
Tick mark.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is mandatory. It is mandatory. Text field is a mandatory field. System is telling that text field is a mandatory, and without giving text in this field, system will not allow us to process this transaction rent. So we have to give the text field as mandatory field. Description must be given. So simply I am giving
Rent paid.
rent paid, rent paid, rent paid. Need not be rent paid. You can say rent payment for May. You can give like that, or for June, you can give like that. Rent paid. Just I'm giving rent paid. In detail, I'm giving in cash. Rent paid in cash. That means I have not transferred through my bank account to another bank account. Simply I'm giving in cash. The next, posting key, give 50. Posting key 50. Just I'm going to my Word document for explanation. See, posting key 50 represents what? Credit, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Credit, cash outgoing. As business is paying rent in the form of cash, business will lose the cash or will receive the cash?
Lose
Lose
the
the
cash.
cash.
Lose the cash means it is an outgoing for the organization. Cash is outgoing, cash is going out from the organization,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So as cash is
Yeah.
going out, it should be considered as a credit. As it is a credit, we should use the posting key 50. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm give posting key 50 and account nothing but GL account. Did we create cash GL account in yesterday's session?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the code?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the code is
1 lakh.
1 lakh 1. So give
One.
1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 1. Give the account 1 lakh 1. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter and give the amount. What is the rent amount which we have paid? What is the amount of rent we paid?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. Okay. As it is the first transaction, as we are doing it for the first time, we are very attentive. Therefore, we are able to remember. Suppose you have forgotten to remember the amount. Then how do you do? Again, you will be doing from the first, from the starting point. No. What you can do is simply give star. Give star. System will pick up the amount. System will pick up the amount. You don't need to bother. Just give star. Then text. See, again for the text field, it is mandatory. Are you observing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Text, give plus. Plus. See, in amount field, I have given star. In text field, I have given plus. See, this star will copy the amount which I have given in earlier screen. Plus will copy the description or text which I have given in earlier screen. Okay. So give the text in the text field plus, then go to document, on the main menu, top left, you can see the document. Document, click on simulate. Simulate. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. It will take some time as we are doing it for the first. See, rent account 5,000, cash account 5,000. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on
Yes.
post. Click on post. Click on post. Click on post. And get the message document 1 was posted in company code. Get the message document 1 was posted in company code. Get the message document 1 was posted in company code. Clear? Here I have a question for you. Observe carefully. What is the message system has given? Document 1 was posted in company code. My question here is, did we, while processing the transaction, did we give document number 1 manually or system has picked up this number?
System has picked up as mandate.
System has picked up, correct? Manisha,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. Where from system has picked up this number?
We have given
Can you
document
guide?
type.
Yeah, document type. Here, document type SA we have given. I told you to remember this. If you go and see the document type SA, just I'll show you. If we go and see the document type SA, for document type SA, number range is 01 and we have maintained some number range. See, for document type SA, we have maintained a number range from 1 to 10,000. From this maintained number range, system has consumed one number. Observe here, current number is 1. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you must have understood why number range has to be maintained in the system. Right. Some more things which we have to understand as far as concerned to posting of a document. Okay. See, here again I'll do the transaction once again, but I do not post that. 3 lakh 1 amount written is 10,000. Here text field has become mandatory field. If you observe carefully, text field has become mandatory field. As it is a mandatory field, we have to enter text. We have to maintain description. If we do not maintain the description, system will not allow us to process. Just I'll show you. 50, 1 lakh 1. If I press enter, it will not allow. See, fill in all required entry fields. It is giving the error message. It is not allowing me to go further to process the transaction. So text field has become mandatory for the GL account 3 lakh 1. Why system has made text field as mandatory field? If you go and see the GL account, we will understand. I'll show you that GL account, rent GL account. See, rent GL account 3 lakh 1. And this rent GL account, if you remembered very well, we have assigned field status group G001. If you
Yeah.
double click on this G001,
Their text was selected.
yeah, text is mandatory field, required entry. As text field made as a mandatory field for the field status group G001, and this G001 has been assigned to 3 lakh 1 rent GL account. While processing the rent, system has made text field as the mandatory field. Okay,
Okay.
right. So next, we have created document number 1. Okay, we have posted one transaction, we have posted one activity, we have done end user activity, and system has given document number 1. Now whatever the transaction we have processed, as we have posted the transaction, system has generated one document number 1. That means in the system there is one document with a number 1. Whether it is available in the system or not, we have to see. Correct? It must have been stored in
Yeah.
the system. Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
next step, let us see. Next step number 8. Display document posted. Display document posted using FB03. Display document posted using FB03. Display document posted using FB03. Please take down the path. It is SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, accounting, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, general ledger. See, look at this description. Display document posted. Display document posted. That is what we are trying to see. And I am giving you the path. General ledger. Then should I go to posting or should I go to document?
Document.
Document.
Document. So document, document. I'm trying to simplify the remembrance of the path. You can remember the path easily if you can understand the concept. If you are clear about what you want to do, that clarity will let you know how to go to the path. So document, then double click on FB03 display. Double click on FB03 display. Double click on that and give the document number 1. Give the document number 1. Give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1 and give the fiscal year. What is the fiscal year? 2018 or 19 or 20?
19.
19. So 2019. 2019. So give the document number 1, company code MMI1, fiscal year 2019. Then press enter. Press enter. Press enter. See, document number 1, company code, posting date, all those things. Okay. Go to document on the top left. Go to document on the top left. Go to document on the top left. Then click on print preview. Click on print preview. That means if you print this particular screen, how your physical print will come, that will appear by clicking on this print preview. So click on this print preview. See, document type SA, GL account document. Okay. See, it says GL account document. How this system has given this particular description automatically? The reason is, if you go and see the description maintained for a document type SA, for document type SA, the description will be GL account document. I'll show you.
Yeah.
See, GL account document. Look at here. Same description has been picked up by the system. GL account document, right? The next document number 1, company code, fiscal year, posting period, posting date, document date. Okay, document currency, INR. If you observe the screen carefully, this screen has been divided into 2 parts, 2 boxes rather. This is entire first box and this is entirely second box. Okay. First box, this first box is called as document header portion. This is called as document header portion. Document header portion. And the second box, which is called as document line items portion. Line items. See, if you observe carefully, this item, first item, second item, First line item, second line item. Okay, so this is line items portion and this is document headers portion. First box is document header portion, second box is document line item. Remember please, each and every document created in the system, processed in the system, each and every document processed in the system will have a minimum of 2 line items. Minimum of 2 line items. This is the basic fundamental question which will be asked in the interviews for a fresher. Every SAP document created or posted or processed in SAP system will have minimum 2 line items. One for debit line item, another one for credit line item. 40 will indicate debit, 50 will indicate credit. So debit line item, credit line item. Then see, you are able to see here an icon looking like a hat. If you click on this hat icon, you will get some more information. Just click on this. See, it will give you again document type, document date, posting period. Okay, entry date, time of entry also it has given. See, what is the transaction code used by the end user to process the transaction? It is saying FB01. FB01 or F-02, both are same. FB01, F-02, both same. Then which user has processed this transaction? Nothing but entered by SAP user. SAP user. Currency is INR. Okay. Here you could see BKPF. What is this BKPF? BKPF is the SAP standard table in which this particular document has been stored in the database of SAP. I will repeat once again. This information is not required, but I'm giving you additional information. BKPF is the table of the database in which this particular document number 1 has been stored. I'll show you how to see that table just for your information sake. Just look at the screen very carefully. Just give SE16 in the command box, press enter. Give the table name BKPF. Click on here, table contents. It is an additional information, please. You don't need to note it down. Then give the company code MMI1. Just give the fiscal year 2019. Click on this exit. See, you can see your company code, document number 1, fiscal year, SCA, document date, posting date. This is the table in the back end of the database in which system has stored information with respect to document number 1. I'll repeat it once again. SE16, press enter, give the table name BKPF, press enter, click on table contents, give the company code, our company code, and give the fiscal year 2019, click on execute. Okay, so this is how we can see the BKPF table. Then next. So now we have seen how to process a document and how to view a document. For processing the document or transaction, the transaction code is F-02, and for displaying the document processed or posted is FB03. So let me go back to the document. See, this is the document which we have processed, or we have processed the rent, and as we have processed the rent, system has generated document number 1. And if you see document number 1, rent 3,01,000 and the amount is 5,000, and cash GL account 1,01,5,000. Now I have a question. If I go and see this GL account 3,01,000 or 1,01,000, system should show a balance of 5,000 against that GL account 3,01,000. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And if I
Yes.
go and see 1,01,000 GL account, again system should show the balance of 5,000 only so far. But how to see this GL account balance? That is what is the next step. Go to the next step, step number 9. Step number 9, display GL account line item. GL account line items using FBL3N. Using FBL3N. Display GL account line items using FBL3N. Okay. Just for the time being, I'll stop sharing my screen. Please be on the line. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Hope my screen is visible now. Please take down the path for this particular step. Display GL account line items using FBL3N. Okay, take down the path. It is SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access accounting financial accounting, then general ledger, then account, then double click on FBL3N display oblique change line items. Double click on FBL3N display oblique change line items. FBL3N display oblique change line items. Double click on that. Give the GL account number for which you want to see the display. 3,01,000, 3,01,000. Give the company code MMI1, our company code MMI1. Then you can see here open items, cleared items, all items. Open items, cleared items, I'll explain you when I take up vendor management and or customer management. Okay. Then select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Write down carefully. Give the GL company code and select all items radio button. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, GL account 3,01,000 rent 5,000. Visible?
Yeah.
Right. So if you see the screen description, it says GL account line item display. Look at the description very carefully, please. It says GL account line item display. See, as soon as I pressed execute button here, as soon as I pressed execute button, which is something looking like a clock, system has shown me line items of rent GL account 3,01,000. Okay, we are able to enter system is able to give this particular screen. System is able to display the line items with respect to GL account 3,01,000 because of one setting or because of activation of one particular provision while creating GL account 3,01,000. What is that option we have activated? What is that option we have enabled? Let me show. If we go and see the GL account FS 00 3 lakh
Line
1,
item display.
correct, line item display. While creating the rent GL account 3 lakh 1 under control data tab, we have activated, we have checked, we have enabled line item display. As we have enabled line item display option, system has allowed us to see this particular window. Suppose I will disable, how system will behave. Let us see. Okay, just I'm disable that particular option. See, now if I go back and execute, it will not give that display. Rather, it shows error. No line item display possible for account number 3,01,000. See, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, again I'll activate it. As I have activated this option, now it will allow us to see that particular thing. Okay, so similarly for 1,01,000 GL account also you can see 1,01,000, that is cash GL account. MMI1, select all items, click on execute. 5,000 cash GL account. Okay, now see the same, these line items can be seen in the table. Okay, how can it be possible? How do we have to see? I'll show you. Just go to SE16, press enter, give the table name BSEG. BSEG is the standard table where line items information will be stored of a particular document. BSEG. Give the company code MMI1. Just give the fiscal year 2019. Click on execute. See, fiscal year, line item 1, clearing, posting key 4050, account type yes, debit or credit, all those things you can see. You can see horizontally as well as you can see vertically by double clicking on that line item. Okay. If I double click on this, it will show you vertically. See, like this. 40 amount is 5,000 INR 40. Yes. Just see like this. So many things you can see. Okay. This is how line item data will be stored in the system. Okay. Right. Next step. Step 10. Step 10. Display GL account cumulative balance balance using FS tenant. Using FS tenant. Display GL account cumulative balance using FS tenant. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounting, then financial accounting. General ledger. Then account, then FS tenant display balances. FS tenant display balances. FS tenant display balances. So double click on that. FS tenant display balances. Double click on FS tenant display balances. Give the GL account 3 lakh 1 or 1 lakh 1, anything you can give. Just I'm giving 3 lakh 1. Company code MMI1. Our company code MMI1. Fiscal year 2019. Click on execute. Top left, you can see clock icon. Click on execute. Click on execute. See here. Click. I'll execute once again. 5,000. See why it is showing only against the posting period 3.
Because it
Why not
was done in June.
June? Why not it is showing any amount in the posting period 1 and posting period 2?
Because we have mentioned over there document posting date as period 3.
Yeah, the reason is during the first posting period and second posting period, we haven't processed any transactions. Correct? Did we process any transactions or any activity related to posting period 1 and 2? That is April and May. We haven't, right?
No.
No.
If we would have, if we had transactions, system would have shown some amounts here. Okay. Clear? See, for third month it is showing 5,000, balance is 5,000, and fourth month also it is 5,000. For all the months it is showing 5,000. So far we have processed only 5,000 value of a transaction, therefore it is showing 5,000. Suppose if you process one more 2,000 in the same month, it will show us 5,000 or 7,000.
7,000.
7,000. Let us check. Just I'll post one more time. I'll post the rent again. Say 3,000. You can take any amount. 50, 1 lakh 1, presenter, 3,000. Directly I'll post. Sorry, document, simulate, post. Document number 2. Suppose if I go and see here, if I execute, it will show 7,000. sorry, 8,000. See, 8,000. If I double click on this 8,000, it will show us further details. Just I'm double clicking. See, with the document number 1, we have processed 5,000. With the document number 2, we have processed 3,000. Understood?
Yeah.
Same display you can see, same this kind of information you can see in FBL3N. FBL3N. See, 2 documents, therefore 2 numbers. Document number 1, document number 3, 2. Right?
Yeah.
Okay? Right. Okay. Next topic. Put the heading. Next topic. Document reversal. Document reversal. Document reversal. Topic number 4. Document reversal. Document reversal. Please take down some theoretical points before we discuss about what is reversal or what is document reversal. Point number 1 in this. Document reversal is of 3 types. Document reversal is of 3 types. Number 1. Individual reversal. Individual reversal. Number 2, mass reversal. Number 3, reversal of reversal. Reversal of reversal. Reversal of reversal. Document reversal is of 3 types. Number 1, individual reversal. Number 2, mass reversal. Number 3, reversal of reversal. Next point. Document reversal is the process of cancelling an existing document. Document reversal is the process of cancelling an existing document which was processed which was processed wrongly by the end user, by the end user. I repeat once again, sir. Document reversal is of three types. One is individual reversal, second one is mass reversal, third one is reversal of reversal. What exactly is a document reversal before we looking into different types of document reversals, that is individual, mass and reversal of reversal? See, document reversal is the process of cancelling an existing document. Look at the theoretical point I have given carefully. What I'm saying is document reversal is the process of cancelling an existing document. Cancelling an existing document means that a document must have been processed. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That means some transaction must have been processed by the end user, and for that processing, system has generated one document, but while processing the transaction, end user must have done some mistakes. Okay, what are those mistakes? Let me take an example. See, we have processed a document called document number 1. Let me show you. FB03 document number 1. Press enter. See, what is the amount for which we have processed the transaction? 5,000, correct?
Yeah.
Assume that instead of 50,000, end user has taken 5,000. Actually, rent paid is 50,000, not 5,000. By mistakenly, by chance, not intentionally, by mistake, instead of processing rent for an amount of 50,000, he has processed 5,000 and he has generated document number 1. Actually, with what amount he is supposed to process? He is supposed to process transaction of rent for 50,000. Instead of processing it for 50,000 while giving the amount in the amount field, by mistakenly he has given 5,000 instead of giving 50,000. Therefore, whatever the document number this one has created by the system, generated by the system, it is not the correct document. Correct? It is a wrong document. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
So as it is a wrong document, it has to be cancelled or not.
Yeah.
But you might get a question here. You might get one doubt here. Instead of cancelling this one, why don't you change this amount 5,000 to 50,000? Your solution, your problem will be solved, no? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let us try to change this amount from 5,000 to 50,000. Just I will show you. I am trying to change. I know that instead of 50,000, I have given 5,000 and I have posted. Just I am showing, no need to observe what I am doing. Now I am FB02. I am changing this document. Document number 1. Company code MMI1 2019. Press enter. Double click on this rent. Observe the screen carefully. I am in change mode. I am not in display mode. Observe the description. Right? See, though I am in the change mode, system is not allowing me to change the amount which I have given in the amount field. It has been grayed out. It is in uneditable mode. Observed.
Yeah.
Can I change this? Is it in editable mode? Not in editable mode. So in change mode also, this amount field is not in editable mode. What all I can change is only I can change this assignment and text. If I want to add something to the existing text, or if I want to remove the existing text, I can do that, but I cannot change the amount. Once a document is created with a particular amount, that amount can never ever be changed. System will not allow us to change the amount. As system is not allowing me to change the amount, what I need to do is I need to cancel this document, and I need to create one more document. I need to post the transaction. I need to process the rent document with 50,000 amount. Get my point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this existing document I need to cancel. This has to be cancelled in the system. If I cancel, this 5,000 will become zero, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this 5,000, this document has to be cancelled. This document, look at my terminology very carefully, which I am using. This document means, the term this document will indicate multiple documents or one particular document.
Document.
This
One particular document. As it is indicating one particular document, this will fall under the category called individual reversal or individual document reversal. Understood the concept?
Yeah.
Now put the heading individual document reversal. Individual document reversal. Individual document reversal or individual reversal, both are same. Don't get confused, please. In this step number one, process rent for an amount of rent paid of rupees 50,000, process rent paid of rupees 50,000 with an amount of rupees 20,000. Still I am doing mistake to make you understand what is document reversal. Actually, I am supposed to process with an amount of 50,000, but what I am saying, though we have paid 50,000, in the place of 50,000, I am asking you to process with 20,000. Though you process with 20,000, system will generate a document, and that document is not a correct document, it is a wrong document. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Using F-02. 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 Please take down the path. Same path earlier you have taken. Anyway, once again I am giving you. SAP Easy Access. Some disturbance is coming from somebody's end. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting. Double click on F-02 general posting. Double click on F-02 general posting. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting. Double click on F-02 general posting. Double click on that. Same. Give the document date, document type SA, document date, today's date, document type SA, company code MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting date, today's date, posting date, today's date, posting period 3, currency INR, then posting key 40, 3 lakh 1, which is a rent GL account, posting key 40, account 3,01,000, rent GL account. Press enter. Press enter. Actually speaking, I am supposed to give an amount of 50,000 as per the example. But let us take 20,000. Instead of 50,000, we are taking 20,000. Intentionally, we are doing a mistake to understand what is document reversal. So 20,000, then text, rent paid in cash, then 50 posting key, credit posting key, give 1,01,000 cash GL account, account 1,01,000, press enter, give star in amount field, which will copy the amount which we have given in earlier screen. Give the plus in text field, plus will copy the text which we have given in earlier screen. Click on document on the main menu, which is on the top left. Click on simulate. Click on post. Click on post and don't forget to note down the document number. Document number 3 was posted in company code. Document number 3 was posted in company code. Please do note down the document number 3. Now my question is, document number 3 is a correct document or wrong document?
Wrong document.
Wrong document. Why it is a wrong document?
Actually,
Because we were
the rent
supposed to
amount.
post
Yeah, rent
50,000.
amount actually will be 50,000, but we have processed it for 20,000 only. See, slash and FB03. If I go to document number 3, 20,000 only. Actually, we are supposed to process for 50,000. Instead of processing it for 50,000, we have processed it for 20,000. So let us cancel this number. Next step. Step number 2. Reverse oblique cancel the document created in step 1. Reverse or cancel the document created in step 1 using FB08. Using FB08. Reverse oblique cancel the document created in step 1 using FB08. Using FB08. Using FB08. Please take down the path. Take down the path, please. It is SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. 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 Financial accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. General ledger. General ledger. See, look at the step description. Reverse or cancel the document. Then which option I should go for? Posting or document or account? After general ledger, which option I should go? Guess.
Account. I
You
think
are
account.
canceling account or you are canceling document?
Canceling the
Canceling.
document.
Document. So go to document.
Maybe document.
Document. After general ledger, it is document. Then where should I go?
Reverse.
Worked or reference? Reverse. Correct. Reverse. Then double click on FB08 individual reversal. Double click on document FB08. Double click on FB08 individual reversal. Double click on that. Give the document number which we want to reverse. It is document number 3, correct?
Yeah.
So give the document number 3 which we want to reverse or cancel. Then give the company code. Give the company code MMI1. Give the fiscal year 2019. Give the fiscal year 2019. And give the reversal reason. You don't need to put anything, just from the available codes you can take the relevant one. Generally we use 01 reversal in current period. Okay, so give 01 reversal reason 01, reversal reason 01. Click on post. Click on post. Click on post. And note down the message displayed by the system. Fail. Document 4 was posted in company code MMI1. Document 4 was posted in company code MMI1. That means document number 3 got cancelled with the document number 4. Just let us see both the documents, document number 3 and document number 4, and let us try to understand the differences. This is document number 3. I'm showing document number 3. Document print preview. Then let us see again document number 4, FP03. Document number 4, presenter, document print preview. See here, document number 3. What is the document type?
SA.
SA. Clear? See, document number 3 reversed by, cancelled by document number 4. Clear?
Yeah.
Then next, if you see document number 4, what is the document type here? It is not SA, it is AB. Observed?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
system has sent this document type AB automatically? Before that, see here, document number 4 is the reversed document for document number 3. Now, how system has taken document type AB? Just let me show you what is document type of document number 3. SA. This is the original document, right? Which is a document. Document type SA. Just let us see the document type SA. Document type SA. If I double click on this, see, under document type SA, reverse document type, what is it? AB, right? Observed?
Yeah.
Okay. Under document type SA, by default, reverse document type is AB. Therefore, at the time of reversal, system has taken AB as a document type for the cancellation. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, if you see, just let me show you FBL 3N 3,01,000 rent. If I execute, see 5,000, 3,000, 20,000 with document number 3, 20,000 with document number 4. Observe carefully, against document number 4, the amount is with minus indicator, negative indicator. That means the amount with document number 3 got nullified with document number 4. The amount with document number 3 got cancelled with document number 4. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what is individual reversal. Okay. Next, let us see mass reversal.
Wow.
Okay. Mass reversal. Number 2, second type of reversal. Mass reversal. We'll continue in tomorrow's session, please. Okay. I'm stopping the session. Please do available sharp at 8 p.m. regularly. Okay. So that I can make use of the time available. Okay. Right.
Yeah, okay.
Right then. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.